Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by working smart, not slow. Clear the area, turn off power, and remove outlet covers so you can work safely. Once done, score the paper lightly. This lets solution penetrate and prevents excessive scraping that harms drywall. Apply hot water mixed with remover per the instructions and let it sit for a few minutes. This softens adhesive. You'll repeat in small sections so the wall doesn't dry. Make sure to test a patch first to confirm the finish under the paper. You continue by scraping carefully. Hold a wide scraper at 30 degrees and keep the blade flat so you lift paper without gouging. If paper resists, apply more solution and wait 3 to 5 minutes. Patience is the key, rushing damages drywall. Peel the backing off in strips, then use a damp sponge to wash away paste. For stubborn adhesive, apply a commercial adhesive remover, let it dwell, then scrape gently. Make sure to rinse the wall with clean water after each treated section. You finish by repairing any damage. Apply joint compound to gouges, let it dry fully, then sand smooth and dust off. Once the surface is clean and even, apply a stain-blocking primer. This seals any remaining adhesive and prevents show-through. After the primer dries, paint with 2 coats for a uniform finish. If paint won't stick or you see bubbling, wet a small area with a sponge to test adhesion. If problems persist, reprime or lightly sand, and repeat to ensure long-term results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.